It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for St. Paddy's Day, Friday, March 17th. I'm Michael Groff, and it's going to be downright hot this weekend with record high temperatures likely tomorrow and Sunday. Then a gradual cooling trend comes in here next week, and the big question still remains, will we see any rain? Let's talk about it. As we look outside this morning at 6:45 a.m., clear skies in the valley right now. 64 degrees to start the day at Sky Harbor. Dew point at 41, relative humidity 42%. The winds are light. The barometer is rising. Temperatures across the area right now, 51 at Fort McDowell, 53 Buckeye. Most of the valley across the metro in the upper 50s to middle 60s, well above normal. A few high clouds across the southwest right now, otherwise mostly clear skies. On the watch warning map, some flood advisories in parts of the Intermountain West. Freeze warnings continue for sections of Kentucky, Tennessee, North Georgia, around the Atlanta area, the Carolinas, and parts of North Florida. On the convective outlook, no organized areas of severe weather today. A little thunder possible in parts of the eastern U.S. So let's talk our weather and look at the models. This is the GFS, the 06Z run, valid at 5 o'clock Mountain Standard Time today. Broad ridging here across the southwest. That just means sunny skies and another warm day. We'll top out in the low 90s. The record high for today is 99, set in 2007. We'll be nowhere near that. Tonight, we're clear and mild. Lows upper 50s to mid 60s. Tomorrow, sunny skies, warmer. Most of the guidance, the GFS, the NAM, the European, all suggest we'll be at 96 tomorrow. If that's the case, we will break the record of 94, set in 2004. And on Sunday, sunny skies, and high temperatures again in the mid-90s. The record high on Sunday, 92. I think we easily break that. Monday, the sky will become partly sunny. A cold front begins to approach the west coast. Some winds picking up across southeast California. High temps still about 90 and mostly sunny skies, just a few high clouds. On Tuesday, again, a trough very slowly working its way east toward the southwest states. Windy conditions in Southern California, Southern Nevada, maybe getting into northwest Arizona later Tuesday night. No rain, but partly sunny skies. High temps fall back toward the middle 80s. Here's Wednesday. Cold front moves across the area, and we've seen many different looks here. Anything from dry conditions to rather wet, very unsettled, somewhat stormy. Today, some light rain possible on Wednesday. Nothing overly exciting here. Still a small chance of showers, partly sunny skies. High temps would fall back into the mid-70s. The guidance not nearly as aggressive on the cooling as it was yesterday or the day before, where we saw highs only in the upper 60s. I think mid-70s seems pretty likely on Wednesday. Somewhat windy conditions and a small chance of rain. Thursday, that moves off to the east. We are mostly sunny, a little breezy, high temperatures in the mid-70s. Lows during this time will get back down into the low and middle 50s. I think some of the coolest desert spots get into the upper 40s. Here's a week from today, Friday, March 24th. Flat ridging here across the southwest. Another trough approaching the west coast. Partly sunny skies, and that looks like high temperatures 75 to 80. Here's Saturday, March 25th. Another trough taking aim on the southwest. There could be some unsettled weather here. Breezy conditions. Temperatures held in check as an active weather pattern continues throughout much of next week. And then this is the end of the forecast period. Sunday, March 26th. Looks like cool conditions to continue. Below normal weather, I suppose we should call it. Cool is relative. Highs 70 to 75. And speaking of temperatures, let's look at those off the GFS ensemble through the period. If these numbers pan out, we would tie a record tomorrow and break the record on Sunday. I think both tomorrow and Sunday are record-breaking days, and then cool it off next week. And then more or less thereafter, temperatures will stay relatively near normal for the rest of March and into early April. And that's a look at the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. Our next video back here tomorrow morning. Thanks as always so much for watching. Have a great Friday.